was one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, yeah, so I'm letting you fly. 'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby, and we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Happy birthday, Miss Grace, from The Cuteness. Okay na yan. Ano na yan?
Happy birthday, Grace! Ayan, hindi ka nagpaalam, kaya lagot ka, pasalubungan mo ko ng Cadbury. Ayoko nung may nut, raisins. Gusto ko yung milk chocolate or with nut. Hi, Ma'am Grace, happy birthday. Don't worry, nag-accept naman kami through, kung mag-send ka through courier, email na lang yun. Sige, yun na lang, happy birthday, sana masaya ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Grace. Hope you're having fun. Okay, see you soon here. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Grace. Sana mag-enjoy ka dyan.
Hey Grace, maligayang kaarawan uli. Hi Grace, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam, malapit na pala birthday mo. Saan ba ang blowout mo?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Joke. May message pa ba ako isasabihin?
Kayo bahala.
Anong feel-good message masasuggest mo?
Kung malayo ka sa Pilipinas, birthday mo ngayon, hindi mo makakain ng favorite mong food.
Oo nga, mga baboy, kasi Muslim dyan eh. Hindi ka pwede pang mag-smoke. At saka mag-inuman, wala rin, kasi mga Muslim mga kasama mo.
Ay ma'am, si Gabo po ito. Happy birthday po. Remind ko lang yung size 10. Pero joke lang yun.
Hi ma'am, this is Mark. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am. Si Annalyn to. Happy birthday.
Partner, happy birthday. Have a good one kahit wala ka sa Pilipinas. Tsaka sisingilin ka na lang namin ng blowout pagdating mo. Okay.
You will always be. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. We will linger. Always be my baby.